This is Frida. Welcome back to How to Crochet the Popcorn Star Motif Part 6. I do apologize. Today's been a very long day. It's been over 8 hours. I've been taping. So this is the part 6, and we're almost done. So I did my decreases, and I just wanted to show you how to do the last decrease, and I'm going to join the next row, and here we are, just to give you an idea where we're located at the moment. Okay, we're right here, so we're finishing this part. So we have three rows after this, and we're done. Meanwhile, while we're doing these 3 rows, we're going to do these popcorns here. 1, 2, 3 row. And then we're going to finish. Yes, I just want to let you know that I kept on postponing this tutorial for years because it's not easy, right? And I know that I'm taping it pretty good, like you can see it without any blurriness. And I'm hoping that you are happy. I saw someone gave me a dislike. But what can you do? Okay, so I am doing my last popcorn on top of the popcorn. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm just grabbing here. Okay, so I'm going to chain 2. This is how we did the decreases on the stars to give that pointy look. And I'm just going to come all the way here to do making double crochets on top of the double crochet, and I'm chaining 2 double crochet on top of the double crochet, and I'm making my popcorn. Make my popcorn here. 2 chain popcorn, and I'll meet you here. Okay, so I did my double crochets, and this is how it looks like, and I am just going to join with a slip stitch on the 3 chains that we did, just like this, and we have joined. And then we're going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is the 1 double crochet, and the 2 is the chain to create the box. Then we're going to do a double crochet here, chain 2, popcorn stitch, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, popcorn stitch, double crochet, and then here we're just gonna go straight without just chaining 2 and double crochet on each double crochet, and I will meet you here to create the popcorn stitch. So we're going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 5th. We're going to make the popcorn stitch on these edges. Okay, so I did the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on this one I'm going to make a double crochet. So I'm going to do 5 double crochets, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Then join. So this is 1 popcorn, and then do a double crochet on top of the double crochet and make my 2nd popcorn. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go to the first double crochet on the 5th, 5 double crochets to create the popcorn. Okay, so this is how we start. I'm going to chain 2 and then make a double crochet, chain 5, 3, 4, 5 and make a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and then I'm going to make a popcorn stitch. So this is how we do the popcorn stitches on this corners, on each corner that we're going to be creating. And then we just follow what I did here. Just continue doing the same thing. Do double popcorn stitch, 2 chain popcorn stitch, and single crochet on each. And then when we come here on the second row, we repeat the same thing. Just to show you, we repeat the same thing. So here we increase the double crochets in the middle, and these popcorns becomes the V. And then here we do when we did 2 popcorn, so we do 1 popcorn here, 1 popcorn here, and on the following row we repeat the same thing. We increase our popcorns, and this is how we do it. So I will let you continue crocheting, and I'll meet you at the end of the row to continue to start the next row of the motif. Okay, so I'm almost ending the row and going to start on the next row, which is, so after this row there would be 2, well, with this row it would be 2 more, and then we will be done. And I am going to let you finish after I show you how to join. Okay, so I did, these are all double crochet, so we go on top of the double crochet, and I just join with a slip stitch or a single crochet, whichever you wish. Okay, so I'm going to chain 3, and then I'm going to make yep, see what I mean here? I misdone it again. There's supposed to be double crochets here, and instead of chaining, I should have done 1 double crochet here, so I missed the double crochet, but we can fix it. I'll show you a trick to fix it. Okay, my trick is this. If you miss it, and I don't want to frog all the way 1 row, all the way around row. 1 row is a lot of crocheting. So what you can do is you yarn over it twice, and then you go on the bottom here where the popcorn stitch is. Just grab it like that, and then just pull it loosely. So 1, 2, and then 3. So what we're doing is we're doing this row and then the following row, and then I just do a double crochet just like this. So this is a trick just to give you an idea. And we fix it instead of frogging it all the way. Okay, and I'm going to continue double crocheting to where the popcorn stitch is and where the double crochet is. Okay, so we are done this part. I'm going to put a popcorn stitch here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just like this. Then make a double crochet on top of the double crochet, chain 2, double crochet on the top of the double crochet, and make a popcorn stitch. Three, 4, 5. lots of double crochets to create the popcorn stitch. Oops. Go back and finish the popcorn, then make a double crochet. Okay, so we're done this part. This is how it's gonna look like. So I will let you continue crocheting all the way here. Well, it's only a couple of, just want to save time because I just wanted to finish this with this video, and then on the next one I will show you how to join the motifs. Chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Okay, so we're going to make one double crochet here. We did our double crochet, popcorn stitch, popcorn stitch, popcorn stitch, double crochet, and then we continue making another popcorn stitch here, and then we continue doing the same as shown. And I'm going to let you continue, and I will come back to show you the join. So it's going to be like this: popcorn stitch, then you make the corner, chain 2, two chain here, and then you make a double crochet, 5 chain, double crochet, and that's how you do the corner. So I will come back to show you how to join this part again. This part, it's kind of confusing, but when I show you, it's very easy. And see how we fix that problem? Ta-da! It's almost done. I'll meet you on the next row. Okay, so I am just joining this row, and I'm going to start the last row, to crochet the last row, and I'm almost done. So what we're going to do is, after joining, we're going to do this part. So we're going to do on each end, we're going to do popcorn stitches, and when we come back, I'm going to show you how to do the corner, just in case if you get lost, but it's very simple. We just do the 5 chain and turn. So I will show you how to join this again, and this is going to be the last row. Yay! So excited. Okay, so I did my double crochet, and I'm going to do my slip stitch just like this, and I'm going to chain 3. That is considered as a double crochet, and on the first double crochet I'm going to do my double crochet and continue making my double crochets all the way here, and here would be my last double crochet, and then I'm going to make a popcorn stitch, double crochet, chain 2, and then make a double crochet, popcorn stitch, and make a double crochet, continue all the way here, and I will meet you at this corner. Okay, so I'm at the corner here. Just wanted to show you I made my bobble stitches and double crochets in the middle. So I'm making my last bobble stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then come back to the first stitch and slip this and make my double crochet, chain 2, just like this, chain 5, double crochet, chain 2, and make my double crochet here. So this is the last corner that I am making, and then make my bobble stitch. Okay, so far this is how it's done. So continue crocheting all the way around, and I'm just going to finish this up later, and Like I said, this has been a very long day. I've been taping all day. I believe over 12 hours now. And this is going to be part 6. And part 7, I will show you how to join the motifs. Just like here. I bet you can't find where I joined it, right? It's really hard to see. So I'm going to show you a trick how to join this. Just like this to give you this nice look. And then I will show you how to do the border. It's going to be, I do have a tutorial, but I will show you again on this particular motif on how to do the bobble stitch edging. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial. I know it took forever for me to post it, but I did it today, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting, and you have a pleasant, great day, summer. Happy crocheting.